Mommy, round us up, that's a down. Good night. Ready now. Ask the tourists about my ski.
Yeah, so I get Sumfest, you understand? Cause me can't take the style thing, me a bad boy. Ready now.
Oh, that's a real life up here. So me can't like face like up here. No man in up here. Left for me. You want it to the big dummy. Hey, me should be here across the road. Overturn the event in a cardboard. Face like time is to put it on board.
Cause there's no way in history a woman can crown a man king. But you don't know say on our work.
Remember, send the king send for me, no?
Yeah, not do that.
And the king say, no man no fi put the crown on him head.
Yes.
A friend crown friend. I mean, no care who want vex over a truth, you know.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Remember, if it's your first time checking out Yeah Jam TV, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. People with the away from the space, they are little, but we're forward and we're there now, live in action. Remember, may they tell us the crown are flying and it reached. It's official. Vybz Kartel is the king of the dancehall. Official crowning took place at Reggae Sumfest. So you know we have a whole heap of highlights, a whole heap of things for go check in and see how it really forward down. The boss deliver an epic performance over there in Mobi, you know him could let down the fans in a yard, people, cause him been a shell the whole world. So when him forward back a yard, you know so something special did in store. So we have to go check it out and see how the boss deal with it. So me I did, yeah man. So also we have performance highlights from governor, people, governor, and everything one night time to yo, but never they expect it. But me I tell you, him deal with it wicked. So we have to go check out a look at highlight from theme set and see how it really go on. Yeah, me I tell you, we also have One Kevin Neako out a blaze of fire against J Progress. Cause recently, well, me did away, me realized the J Progress a chew a fire over upon the Gaza. I say, yo, man, I do the done here and Ray bugger thing. Yo, man, turn off. So One Kevin Neako forward out and belt him the really and make him know. We have a reason to go check out this so people. And we also have an insight. Remember earlier night intro, Masicka said him last Sumfest this. So One Kevin have a look inside pound. What really make Masicka decide to say that they say me I did. So we have to go check out the reason there from One Kevin. You hear me I tell you? We also have Neako fire forward out and say, yo, right now a friend thing, the whole thing, crowning business deed. So we have to go see why Neako fire a throw she against the Gaza and all of a sudden decide for us turn off. We have to go check out the reason I hear my deed people. But first, we are kick it off with the crowning from Vybz Kartel. We are going to check out a look at highlight from set as well.
Yo. General! Marshals! General! Right line! General! General! Are you there? My phone! General! Bobby! Matty. God out one boy. Cause are you a leader? So we go to a movie here. Alright. Mommy, round us up, that's a down. Good night. Ready now. Ask the tourists about my ski. Dash. Hold on. Let me talk to him.
Remember, send the king send for me, no?
Yeah, not do that.
And the king say, no man no fi put the crown on him head.
Yes.
Remember me did there Europe and the king say, Queen,
yes.
are you me want to put the crown on my head?
I hear just give them back their money.
Yeah.
I know.
On behalf of the music fraternity and the entire Jamaica, Reggae Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich, the entire world, the entire Sumfest, Gaza Nation, we are here to crown the legend, Adija, Azim, Palmer, all hail the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel!
Let's go!
Long live the king of dancehall.
Thank you. Me can DJ a song. Oh, Joe, White guy, you want to say something?
This is a great historical moment.
Yeah.
And we're blessed to be here. And people get excited sometimes and they do some things. But you know, it's all about love. It's about change. It's about community and helping one another. And this man, big him up. Come on, let's hear it for Vybz Kartel. I can't hear ya.
Yeah, Joe.
I can't hear ya.
Big up yourself, Virginia. Big up. You hear me? People, it's a joy. I mean, I'm telling you something. It's a joy. You sit down here, so, in my own country. And the people, they must say, world boss, you finally, officially deserve it. Big up yourself.
So you hear from the king of the dancehall himself, you know, people. Vybz Kartel. You hear me say, yo, it's a joy for us dead with the people and a wall of vibes in our home country. Cause you know, say, yo, you get that forward there from your people, your own people, them want to see you up there and receive that kingship. Yeah, it's a great feeling cause and a little bit of work put in, a whole heap of song, whole heap of lyrics have to craft up and make sure, say, yo, it sound good and make sure it connect. And a little bit of tune the DJ sing for the right, they say, you know, people, a whole heap of work and it's a good look for what Vybz Kartel do right now for dancehall because his release help the upward shift the dancehall right now and just put dancehall back on the forefront. Yeah, man, because we did the second to Afrobeats one time, you know, because Afrobeats is that lead out as the different type of music there from what the normal market base with our consume. So me I did and now a dancehall, other music there where right now people are flock towards and I check out the hit song them. You don't know, they shake it to the max. I go on real well on the international scene as well. And we have other front runners them out there, Shaggy, Sean Paul, and the whole of the young artists them want to do it right now and I represent the culture. So you know, so we crown Vybz Kartel king for make the people them know worldwide. So yo, this is the man who lead the genre right now, Vybz Kartel. Yeah, me tell you, he's a good look. Yeah, man, big up the teacher, the world boss, the king of the dancehall. Remember with it promising us an epic performance from Governor. Yeah, man, Governor go over Sumfest and referee to one time. Check it out.
Fool now, talking about man place. But it's in a place one but just my ear. Pussy dead that's a black, my man place. Still I'm here with the hand cock here. Girl pass to 60 first and don't straight. Love talk up them, she don't make it club stay. Me hold the man, the man, the man, the bag. Jump out with the big man. Boom, shot boy and the big man. 15 that you win. Yo, Maggie. Yo, hear me? I say yo, Patent. Yo, Sumfest, Canterbury, Strike Force there, you hear that? In our morning, I have big energy. Big energy. In our morning, I what? Big energy. In our morning, I what? Big energy. Jump out with the big man. Boom, shot boy, and the wrist pass. 15 that you will pass. Got it open the head car. I hold that tree light up here. To be kid, I feel light up here. No man in nothing. Left for me. You want it to the big dummy. Hey, Mr. Mickey across the road. Over turn and event in a cardboard. Feel the time, Mr. Put the cardboard. You're gonna roll for them in a wild board. For the up to get everyone. I can't road, my road. We are in the wild road. This people is gone with his hand. Still a dark clothes in a white clothes. When they die for the air. The load up is in it. Boom, shot boy and a miss. Aye, well, boom.
People wanna see it for themselves, you know. If him not shell it and lie, them a tell. Governor deliver a wicked piece of performance over there at Sumfest. When I like Governor step out well calm and composed and a DJ lyrics on stage well grimy. You can see that him and Jomi had a great rehearsal and everything we practice in a rehearsal was executed on the stage as well. Cause Jomi fit and ready for action, you know. Cause I'm just a fall back from break when Governor touch the stage, you know. So you know, say him active and he deliver a mad piece of set for DJs. Cause he say him going night one night time. Yo, wicked piece of performance from Governor and the bands them. Big up the bands them, rough cut. Yeah, me tell you, well executed. Also now we are check out One Kevin cause recently J Progress far out and a blaze fire. So yo, man I do it Danny and one bag of things and I take influence and a fee. So yo, real so it go but One Kevin just have to correct him one at time and belt him and make him know so yo, turn off. Hear the reasoning people.
Vybz Kartel that shaking no man enough here come here. I mean I know what powers could have pushed Vybz Kartel to come out some brawling and come highlight man we are coming here.
Boy them sell we J Progress. What you do it for? Chicken or pizza? And what you do it for? A big guns. And that me friend them fire. Me born with a tempire. Me put you in crossfire. You're in a crossfire, pussy. Let's talk. Batman J Progress. Since you want it, you're compromised, and we are withdrawing your blogging for the boss. You understand? We don't want your blog no more for Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel say him no want J Progress blog no more for him. Vybz Kartel say he is compromised. You get peer. A peer style, we see you try style Vybz Kartel. You understand? So, Vybz Kartel don't want you to be a part of the bloggers for the Gaza. Gaza don't need you. You are deported from the Gaza camp. So you are no longer Gaza. So everybody, when they're in the comment section on this video, tell J Progress, say, you are fired. J Progress, you are fired. How the fuck you feel there so I talk about, oh, I'm not going to be biased. You know, some such man take the stage and him take it on and him did better than Vybz Kartel. People, you know, she said J Progress can't even come out with a real apology. You know, she said J Progress compromise. You know, she said J Progress I get peer from one of them man here. Who a peer you? Be the man? Who? Our vendetta? Who? Who a peer you? Brother, I'm surprised all Jassy, me never go argue with you. Jassy go find a song. You park up too long for you can't find a song. Jassy, you park up too blood clot long for you can't find a song. Go find a song. Me never go Jassy. Bill, you come from Grand Spend. Me come from Grand Spend. Bill, you understand? Yeah, don't size up. No size up, youth. Me not expect that from you. Oh, you figure up on stage and talk about crowning and Usman and no man no but. No do that. You try to set the artists them at war. You know, she said the artists up on stage with Kartel all the time. You think the artists have problem with Kartel? You make it look so Jassy. Jassy, you make it look like Masicka and Vybz Kartel have problem. I saw you make it look. You see, if me is not a person who think me just go off of Masicka one time. And that would have been because of you, Jassy. I hope I know Aishana make Masicka and Bumbleclad Skatta kick off. And now, a Skatta and Bumbleclad Masicka kick off, you know. Remember the story, you know. Remember going to the history, you know. Masicka and Aishana did there. Skatta and Aishana they know. Trouble. The problem where I go on now, nothing to do with Kartel. Aishana, a personal problem. Jassy, how you pick up man and woman problem, bro? Our man and woman problem, Jassy. Oh, you go there, so. Bill, sometimes with mind on a business, dog. You see me I say? Okay, right, they say you pick up something where you never have to pick up, Jassy. Aishana used to date Masicka. And now she is with Skatta. So you see why problem? Skatta and him are going to matey them. Matey them. You understand? So if you mind, leave them alone. This now have nothing to do with Kartel. Whatever happened last night now have nothing to do with Kartel. I want matey and matey something. If you're going to do your homework. Alright? So you now big stinking, dirty stinking J Progress. You are fired. And the argument done. Pussy, let me see if you can blog without using Vybz Kartel. You not have no contents. Make me and you go up on a video shootout to see who can get the highest numbers. Pussy. Let's go on a video shootout. Let's see who get the highest numbers. It starts from today.
So you hear from One Kevin, they say in a family. He must say right now, J Progress no longer should be blogging about the Gaza. We're not sure if it's an official directive apart from the Gaza camp themselves, but right now One Kevin I make him know say yo, don't have fire Gaza thing cause him father out and say yo, him see man I do it down here and nobody never see that. Vybz Kartel in a room with 2 individuals and him a big up the stylist them. And we see him with a sharp lineup. So one have to be barber and one have to be the hairdresser, a male and a female in the room with the G, with the Dan. You see me I did? But J Progress have it say yo, a man him see that down here. We don't know how him see that, but him see it. But him don't make that talk there and say yo, that him see. So what for just hold that you see me I did. One Kevin also elaborated on the fact that Masicka stated they will no longer be doing a Sumfest. He must say right now it look like say there's a little scuffle between him and Skatta right now because Aisha and we're not sure how that be. We're not sure if it's an official thing that as well. I'm just a speculator. Don't know how they man do it, you see me? So we just have to go wait and see how that play out the real way, you know? But now we check out the reason from Neako for your people. I can't believe how hard Kartel work for Crown and Neako for you say, yo, our friend Crown. How him really said that and him see the accomplishments, him see the achievements, him see the work, but yet still him still fall out and say something different. You see me I did? And it's very baffling. So I have to go check out the reason and see why I'm fall to that conclusion.
Let me tell you something, man. Vybz Kartel, them crowing last night at the King of Dancehall. We have to admit, when you come to prison, Dancehall gates open up back to a different level. Arena full up on all these things. But your friend named Gay Crown. And I know enough people are going to vex over what I say, but I'm friend named Crown him. And there's no way in history a woman can crown a man king. Whenever you're a woman crown a man king, Gracie, big up yourself. Spice, you know I love you. But me just have to put you one side now. Gracie, then set you up. Because there's no way in history a woman can crown a man king. But you don't know say on our work. Everybody have one link. You see, if on a bounty killer, Beanie Man, Yellow Man, or Shabba, come 4 of them turn up and say Kartel like new king, I just, he my king for Joe them. And Sumfest. But he's not going to be king for everybody. He might already the king for the Gaza people. Him. And Vybz Kartel is a very talented, me not take nothing from him. But you see the crowning thing there, them not do it good. A friend give friend, a friend crown friend. I mean, not care who want vex over a truth, you know. That's why I ask the question, how come Joe have the power for crown people king? Because me know Shabba now co-sign that. Me know Yellow Man now co-sign that. And I know as much as me can talk for bounty killing, but I don't think bounty killer co-sign that neither. You have to know music. And know so you have to put respect due. Vybz Kartel do a lot for the music. Vybz Kartel do him have to do. Sell out arena, open back the gates of dancehall and make Afrobeat dead. Because Kartel come kill Afrobeat. So we now go around that. But if him friend them a crown him as king, and then use Spice as a woman for crown a king, a queen never crown a king yet. So me know big fuck go on. And the reggae night too. Enough people are going to say through me and Kaga a friend. Me and Kaga not a friend. Me and Kaga as an artist and me as a DJ. My friend and my people I grew up with. You know look good? For the artists have one of the most played songs in Jamaica. Because no artist on Reggae Sumfest tonight don't have a song where I play. We're going to perform a reggae night at Sumfest don't have a song where I play more than Kaga song presently. And I truth. Whatever personal vendetta them have for them business, but them could have put the youth on the show. Even Angel could have go on the show too. Yeah man. But people are going to say true, me know them and my friend them, but me know not going to say that. But Vybz Kartel, tell you something man. Your friend them crown you. People don't have you as the world boss. Remember say you don't have a title and say you're a world boss already. Nobody can take that from you. You don't say you're a world boss. And the people them say you're king of dancehall and something there. But for your friend them crown you, remember tell you say, Bounty have to crown you, Shabba, Yellow Man and Beanie Man have to crown you. For me go say alright then my real king. Kartel, I do him good thing and I dancehall. Yeah but my friend them give me king.
Usually, Neako Fire on point with some of them reason them, but with this one, we have to go disagree wholehearted because him my father say, yo, a friend crown and him see the work what Vybz Kartel put in. This man has been in the music business for more than 20 years. Me can remember as a little youth, I watch Vybz Kartel sang a premiere on TV with Wayne Marshall. One of the first man them we see forwarded CGI line video and I use that and I show you say, yo, I the same thing there. So show you from then time that Vybz Kartel was innovative, in lyrics as well, innovative, in DJ style and pattern was very innovative as well. When Vybz Kartel entered the game, a whole shift occurred in the people. So in this year, 2025, him still do that and I still have impact on the music. Oh gosh, man, you know what the man deserve the crown. So why you gonna say, yo, a friend, all if a Vybz Kartel mother walk out and put the crown on him head, there should still not be any talk for say, yo, him not deserve the crown or whatnot. So we have to go disagree wholeheartedly with Neako Fire. We're not sure if Matsus did see that video that Neako Fire put out, but Matsus did have to go live, same time, and make a talk. Check it out.
Uno do happy. No far on the door happy. On the door happy, I know say bumbo clot at 13 year. The man lock up for run the business. None of the bumbo will couldn't go around him neither. For them 13 year there. Uno couldn't win no award more than him. You know me tell you when they do more than him them time there. Uno just there fuck some girl. Uno did fly up on the plane them. Uno did free. That uno did do then while for the 13 years. But bro, uno never really did do nothing, bro. You see me? Uno just there try some stunts because from like 2016 come up, that was the era of dancehall where the most stunts pop and bust people. Peer stunts. The man they just bust a stunt so pop. You hear saying bust. Man they just plot up him ear and put something in him head and say, yo, him have on in him head. Puff, him get interview. Entertainment. Puff, him hear say my artist. Man come say, yo, he's Superman. Run out of the church. What? They say, yo,
So that's a small synopsis from Matsus live earlier to the people. He must say, yo, basically any artist you see a complain and make talk or say, yo, them never put in the work for ensure say them at a certain level of the music for them can be recognized right now till this day today. You know what I mean? Because he must say, yo, the quality of artists drop. Basically, they might rely upon stunts and other means to try bust in the music as opposed to just raw, pure musical talent. Where Vybz Kartel display, you don't know the teacher do it. You see me I did. So that's just his view on the whole thing right now. You know, whole heap of talking at the ear still because the crowding occurred and some artists disagree while majority of the artists and majority of dancehall in agreement to say Vybz Kartel is the king of the dancehall. Yeah man, I just saw it forward on. You see me as a people. So now we are going to segue over to some nature in our country. You don't know, apart from the music, Jamaica is a beautiful island nonetheless. So we are going to check out a spot we see a Gia feature in the hillside there with a beautiful setup. Check it out and let me know the thing, people.
It does come like a vision, you know. It does come natural and I just run with the vision right away. Instead of just lay down with a dream in your head and nah, there's nothing. You just get up and say we have to do it. So this is the place we call Pretty Close. I start this business late 2019. I come up with ideas to create a family spot where you can come and chill with the family and friends. So this is it where we do our little dining and thing. You can enjoy nature here. Space is beautiful. Jamaica is gorgeous. We build over the years and we give thanks day by day.
Them vibes that me I talk about, people. Fresh food, fresh breeze. The side of the river and just a easy and a whole of vibe, you know. It's a good move because you know so no one a nice like yeah right now. If you're overseas for a look a while and you want to circle back Jamaica, a spotlight, them you have to circle and a check out because you know so the vibes are good there and the food are right, you know. It's a good move. You don't know no one a nice like yeah right now in these times. Yeah man, so if you make it through to the end of the episode, we just want to big you up and tell you thanks for watching the entire vlog, you know, all we do it. Stay tuned for your next episode from the channel. Mad.